Ever feel like your subscriptions are multiplying faster than rabbits in springtime? You sign up for a free trial here, a tempting offer there, and suddenly your bank account is playing a monthly game of guess who's taking my money. You're not alone. In today's digital age, subscription fatigue is real. But what if I told you there's a smarter, more controlled way to manage this recurring expense chaos? We're diving deep into the world of relay cards, a powerful tool designed to put you back in the driver's seat of your subscription spending. Forget frantically searching through emails to cancel that service you haven't used in months. Say goodbye to the dread of unexpected renewals hitting your primary debit card. Relay cards offer a level of control and visibility that traditional payment methods simply can't match. So, what exactly are relay cards, and how can they revolutionize your subscription management? Think of them as virtual or physical debit cards specifically designed for managing online spending, including those pesky recurring subscriptions. Instead of using your main bank card for every service you sign up for, you can create unique relay cards for individual subscriptions or groups of related services. This simple yet ingenious concept unlocks a wealth of benefits. Imagine having a dedicated card just for your streaming services, another for your software subscriptions, and perhaps one for those monthly newsletters you enjoy. Suddenly, your subscription landscape becomes organized and transparent. But the real power of relay cards lies in the control they give you. You can set spending limits on each card, ensuring that a subscription doesn't unexpectedly charge you more than you anticipated. You can easily track exactly where your money is going each month, identifying those forgotten subscriptions that are silently draining your funds. And perhaps most importantly, you can instantly freeze or cancel a relay card associated with a specific subscription, giving you ultimate control over when and how you pay. Now that you're intrigued, let's walk through exactly how to start using relay cards for subscription management. While specific steps might vary slightly depending on the relay card provider you choose, the general process remains consistent. Step 1. Choose a relay card provider. The first step is to select a relay card service that aligns with your needs. Several reputable providers offer virtual and physical cards designed for managing online spending. Research different options, comparing features like the number of cards you can create, spending limits, ease of use of their platform, and any associated fees. Some popular options include Privacy.com, Revolut, and Capital One Eno for Capital One cardholders. Take your time to find a provider that offers the functionality and user experience you're looking for. Step 2. Sign up and create your account. Once you've chosen a provider, the next step is to sign up for an account. This typically involves providing some personal information and linking a funding source, such as your primary bank account or debit card. The sign-up process is usually straightforward and completed online. Step 3. Generate your relay cards. This is where the magic happens. After your account is set up, you can start generating your relay cards. Most providers allow you to create multiple virtual cards instantly. You'll typically have the option to customize each card with a unique name or label, making it easy to identify the specific subscriptions associated with it. For example, you might name one card streaming services and another software subscriptions. Some providers also offer the option to request physical relay cards, which can be useful for in-person transactions or situations where a virtual card isn't accepted. Step 4. Start using your relay cards for subscriptions. Now comes the crucial part, using your newly created relay cards when signing up for online subscriptions or updating your payment information for existing ones. When a website or app asks for your payment details, instead of entering your primary card information, you'll enter the details of the relevant relay card. For new subscriptions, simply copy and paste or manually enter the relay card number, expiration date, and CVV code just as you would with a regular debit or credit card. For existing subscriptions, you'll need to log into your account on the respective platform and navigate to the payment settings. There, you should find an option to update your payment method. Replace your existing card details with those of your designated relay card. Step 5. Set spending limits and rules, optional but highly recommended. This is where you gain significant control. Most relay card providers allow you to set spending limits on each individual card. This is incredibly useful for subscriptions with fixed monthly fees. You can set a limit slightly above the usual charge to account for potential minor fluctuations. If a subscription attempts to charge more than your set limit, the transaction will be declined, preventing unexpected overcharges. Furthermore, some providers offer additional rules and controls. For instance, you might be able to set a rule that allows only one transaction per billing cycle, preventing accidental duplicate charges. Explore the features offered by your chosen provider to tailor the card settings to your specific subscription needs. Step 6. Monitor your subscription activity. One of the biggest advantages of using Relay cards is the enhanced visibility into your subscription spending. The platform provided by your Relay card service will typically show you a clear overview of all the transactions made on each of your cards. This makes it easy to track which subscriptions are active, how much you're paying for each, and when the next billing cycle is. Regularly reviewing this activity can help you identify dormant subscriptions that you no longer need. Step 7. Manage and cancel subscriptions with ease. The true power of Relay cards shines when it's time to cancel a subscription. Instead of navigating complex cancellation processes on the service provider's website, you can often simply freeze or cancel the associated Relay card directly from your Relay card provider's platform. This immediately stops any future charges from that subscription. It's a clean and efficient way to end unwanted services without the hassle of contacting customer support or worrying about lingering access. Best practices for effective subscription management with Relay cards. Categorize your cards. Group similar subscriptions together on a single Relay card, e.g., all streaming services on one card. This simplifies tracking and management. Label your cards clearly. Use descriptive names for your Relay cards so you can easily identify the subscriptions associated with each. Set realistic spending limits. Analyze your typical subscription costs and set spending limits accordingly, allowing for minor variations but preventing large, unexpected charges. Review your activity regularly. Make it a habit to check your Relay card transaction history to stay on top of your subscriptions and identify any anomalies. Utilize expiration dates. Some providers allow you to set expiration dates for your Relay cards. This can be useful for free trials or temporary subscriptions, ensuring they don't automatically renew without your explicit consent. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.